I am making this video because I regularly bump into people who don't seem to know how to find a playlist on a channel. So I am Sean Kantayashi with Saucon Valley Cute and Cuddly Schnauzers. My channel is named SVCC Toy Schnauzers. If you put in the name of a channel, if you put in the name of any channel, you're going to get a list. And so oftentimes people will think that this is my channel. They just look at some of these lists of videos here like this and they assume that's my channel. But in order to get into the SVCC Toy Schnauzers channel, or any YouTube channel for that matter, you have to click on it. So click on it, and now we're actually in my channel. So then I regularly talk about how to find a playlist, and if you scroll down a little bit here, do you see this playlist right here? Click on playlists. And this is true on any channel, by the way, not just mine. So now that we've clicked on playlists, we scroll down a little, and what we see are all the different playlists on my channel. So for example, we've got Honeybee's puppies. We've got Liberty and her puppies. We've got getting a puppy from SVCC Schnauzers. And when you scroll over, you can see view full playlist. Well, one of the playlists that I regularly talk about is how to train a new puppy from 8 to 16 weeks. So how to train a puppy from 8 to 16 weeks. If we do view full playlist and we click on that, what we see is that there are 80 videos in this playlist, and you can literally follow along. So sometimes people will ask me, how many weeks of training, how many weeks of the puppy prep school should we have? Well, it's really up to you, and you can follow along here and see how far along do you want your puppies to be. We do up to 8 weeks of puppy prep school. And if you want your puppy to stay for 2 weeks, or you want your puppy to stay for 4 weeks, you can see the different levels of training here. You can also use this playlist, however, to train your puppy yourself. So this is how you get to a playlist on any YouTube channel. You go into the channel itself, you scroll down a little, you click on the playlists, and then you can do that. Now you could also click on videos, and then you could click on most popular videos or oldest videos. And so my most popular videos show up here, or my oldest videos, you can click on that way, or latest videos. So hopefully this is helpful to you in helping you navigate how to use YouTube.